Queensland Health has been forced to bolster the state's COVID-19 testing efforts after people were forced to wait more than 6 hours in kilometre-long queues yesterday. Queensland residents and travellers from Victoria have been advised to get tested if they had been in Victoria since December 21, but many were forced to leave queues as wait times at clinics in the state's southeast ballooned. The Courier Mail reports a clinic at Prince Charles Hospital in Chermside is running over 24 hours to clear the backlog. Queensland Health says more clinics will be opened, opening hours extended and additional staff employed to keep up with testing demands.
Huge lines as Brisbane residents rush to get tested.
We came about last night and it was a kilometre down the road, so this is kind of not too bad.
I actually came last night, but the queue was where it is now, and I thought I'd come back first thing in the morning, so it's still the same. However, I'm more prepared today.
I thought turning up half an hour early would be ideal, but the line was still pretty big and wrapped around the corner.
The state government issued a test and isolate alert in response to Victoria's COVID cluster, but this led to an influx in people wanting to get tested, an onslaught facilities weren't prepared for.
Please, could people look around and go to other sites? Don't just pick one or two. Go online and look at where there are other testing sites and use them.
After 2 days of queues and some waiting up to 4 hours, opening times have been extended and extra staff employed at 76 government-run testing centres. Tighter restrictions around aged care facilities and hospitals will also come into effect from 1 a.m. on Monday. Anyone who came from Victoria on or after December 21 won't be allowed in. In a statement, the government says we're responding quickly to protect people in these facilities by restricting any visitors who have been in high-risk locations so we can keep them as safe as possible. South Australia, however, is taking a different approach to the rest of the country. The state is keeping its doors open to Victoria, authorities saying the latest outbreak is localised and contact tracing is working.
It's very concerning for people in that state that they now have cases, but the situation at the moment remains relatively stable.
SA locals are being told to rethink their travel and remain alert but not alarmed. Emily Evans, Sky News.